What's up guys, Gadget Junkie here. In this video I'm featuring this VUSIGN electric pressure washer that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. Now this here did come needing to be assembled. It's pretty easy to do, all the parts are easy to identify. It didn't give you any assembly instructions, but here you can see me putting it together. It was pretty intuitive to do and it went together in about 5 minutes. I used a cordless drill to do that, but you can also use just a Phillips head screwdriver and it goes together very, very easily. So I have it here now connected to electricity, connected to water. We're going to get this thing set up. So first of all, it does have both the soap dispenser that's super easy to put on. Goes on like that. If you got some car wash you want to put in there, spray the car down, easy to do. And then you've got your spray wand here, also just as easy to install. And it also comes with 4 nozzles. So these nozzles here are designed for various jobs. You know, they're easy to put in. Just simply pull it out, put it into the tip, and it's ready to go. So again, like I said, I've already got this connected to the water. I'm gonna put the hose in here. Goes in there very easily, snaps in, press the button here to pull it out. Super easy to use, guys. So everything is pretty intuitive as far as the setup and usage. So once you've got it all connected to your water and your electricity, you've got your power button here. Simply turn this here. It's gonna pressurize and it's ready to go. So on the handle here, you do have a lockout. So if you don't want to accidentally, spray, you can lock that out, open it up, and it's ready to go. All right guys, so here's a demonstration of all the different spray nozzles. This here is the 0 degree. This here is gonna be good for like your sidewalks, your driveways, porches and stuff like that. So as you can see, that does a good job of getting really deep into that dirt surface there. Next up, we have the 15 degree. This here is a slightly open fan. That's good for stuff like siding. Like you see, I got some dirt up on this siding here. Perfect for cleaning off your painted surfaces so that you don't strip off your paint. Next up, we've got a 25 degree fan here. Slightly more open spray there for your more delicate items. And then last but not least, we got a 40 degree spray here. That one's wide open for your super delicate projects like windows and stuff like that. Once you're done with your job, guys, as you can see, everything stores away nice and neatly. Your wand, your water hose, your power cord, everything is stored on the pressure washer so that you can store it away and be ready for your next use. So if you guys are looking for a lightweight, powerful, portable pressure washer, I highly recommend this VUSIGN. I hope this helps.